This 30-minute pressure cooker pot roast will provide a savory comfort dish in record time. Learn how to make it with this quick and easy guide brought to you by recipes.net. With the chopped roast beef on a plate, sprinkle it with a steak seasoning, then place into the base of a pressure cooker. In a bowl, add the all-purpose flour, beef stock, and butter. Mix until the butter has melted. Pour the mixture into the pressure cooker, then add the white onion, celery, carrots, golden potatoes, red wine vinegar, Worcestershire sauce, rosemary, and red wine. Season with salt and ground black pepper, then seal the pressure cooker. Cook for 30 minutes and release the pressure before opening the lid. Let the beef rest for 5 minutes before slicing. Serve with gravy and chopped parsley. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to catch more easy and tasty dishes to try at home.